Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hafiz. So in this Laravel video we will learn what is route model binding in Laravel. In the previous video we have learned one-to-many relations in Laravel. So in this video we will learn how to connect the models with routes in model. Already we have learned how to create the routes, how to make a controller and how to make the models in Laravel. So in this video we will learn about the advanced topics, how to connect the routes with models in Laravel. So let us see how to connect the routes with model. For that we need to open the project which we have created in the previous video. So let us open the project. So this is the project which we have created in the previous video. If you are following my previous video in series, so let us open the text editor. First of all we need to create the controller, HTTP controllers, and we will create the users controller. For that we need to open the command prompt. PHP artisan make controller and the name of the controller user controller. Enter. Now you can see the controller created successfully. So let us create the route for this controller, user controller. Open the routes web.php. Route get, and in the first parameter we will pass the URL which we want to pass in browser. For example, I want to show all users, all are users, and in the next parameter we will pass the controller, user controller colon, and in the next parameter we will pass the name of function index, semicolon, and save this file. So we have imported the user controller in web.php. So let us create the function in the user controller. Public function index return hello from users controller. Save this file. Users, copy this URL, enter. Now you can see this function is working perfectly. So let us see how to bind the model with controller. By default the Laravel search on the base of key. For example, we want to fetch the users. Let us open the users model. Now you can see we have 3 users in users controller. So if we want to fetch the users on the base of ID, then Laravel model by default search on the base of key. For example, we want to search the users on the basis of name. So let us see how to fetch the users on the basis of name. First of all we will fetch on the basis of ID slash key. When we pass users slash ID 11, enter. Now you can see this is working fine. So let us see how to fetch the users which have ID 11. Use app models user. User key. Return key. Save this file. So let us refresh. Now you can see we are getting the users which have ID 11 and we are getting first user. Suppose we want to fetch the users which have name this one. Copy this name. If we will pass this name here, so let us check if we will pass the name. Now you can see this is unable to find the users which have this name. So to resolve this error, so let us change the route colon name. We will pass the name, column name here. So let us again refresh this page. Now you can see we are getting the user which have name this one. So in this way we can create the users friendly URL in Laravel. So we can fetch on the basis of email and others columns name. So in this video we have learned about the route model binding in Laravel. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.